Hi, this is Gene Ransom going through new Maryland laws. In 2020, the Maryland General Assembly passed legislation that just became law that requires practitioners starting in January 1 of 2022 to use electronic prescriptions for controlled dangerous substances. This bill was reintroduced for the 2019 session. The fight became very difficult for those who were concerned about the mandate on physician practices when the federal government a couple years ago passed the law for Medicare. Interestingly, this issue with regards to electronic prescribing was something the Maryland State Medical Society actively opposed and killed for several years. But in the 2019 General Assembly session, they worked out a compromise, essentially removing most penalties and most of the onerous requirements under it, and having it take effect the same time as the federal mandate. Actually, interestingly, when the bill finally passed, it will take effect almost a year later than the federal mandate. But nonetheless, this will be the law of the land. If you're doing an opioid script, you're going to have to use an electronic script. Unfortunately, this is burdensome for some practices when they don't write very many scripts. If you're an ophthalmologist who writes one a CDS a year, you might not be set up with electronic prescribing, but it's the way the world is going. The Medical Society did work out a partnership with a company called Dr. First to allow for folks involved with MedCai, and you can call MedCai and learn about this, to download the iPrescribe tool for free. And that tool allows you to send electronic scripts. And again, it doesn't cost anything for the first year through MedCai. And the other nice thing about the iPrescribe tool is it allows you to check in Maryland the Prescription Drug Monitoring Program, or PDMP. So it's a good solution from a business perspective to meet this new mandate. It's going to be taking effect at the end of next year. Thank you. And as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to MedCai, the Maryland State Medical Society. We'd love to help you out.